Gideon, what are you doing?
What are you doing, Gideon? You want some water?
What?
No water? ¿No le gusta que le tome fotos?
I don't know. It's kind of funny because he's always What are you doing, Gideon?
Gideon.
Maybe I'll pretend like I'm just on the phone.
He's in the phone.
Oh, good job. Good job. And put this on YouTube, buddy. Put this on YouTube? Gideon? You want this on YouTube? YouTube? Okay, I'll post it on there. Say hi. Can you say hi to Aunt Valerie? Come here. Who's that? Who's this?
Abby.
Who's that?
Abby.
Oh, yeah.